How to make money online on Shopify, Amazon, and Apple products. How to make money online on Shopify and Amazon Apple products. Create and sync Amazon listing with our native Shopify plugin. Seamlessly integrate your Shopify store to sell on Amazon. Start your free trial. Create new listing 30 days free trial. Installation support, native control, inventory sync, real time sync. How to make money on Shopify, Amazon, and Apple products. Receive orders in Shopify. Visit on the Apple App Store. Connect Shopify with 200 plus apps. Put your store on autopilot. Connect your Shopify store to 200 plus apps without any coding using a drag and drop builder. Automate marketing, sales, invoicing, and more for your Shopify store in minutes. 24 into 5 live chat support, zero coding required, 200 plus apps available. Get started for free, precising customer support. How to make money online on Shopify, Amazon, and Apple products. Videos. How to make online money on Shopify. How to make money online on Shopify, Amazon. How to make money online on Wix Shopify. How to make money with Shopify, Amazon, and Apple. More videos. Shopify. How to make money online. Selling Amazon.com. Shopify. How to make money online. Selling online. Create your very own profitable online business empire. Walker Jonathan S. On. Shopify applications. How to make money online and Amazon.com. Shopify applications. How to make money and earn passive income by using apps to automate your e-commerce online business. Dropshipping. How to make money online and build your Amazon.com. It's all about how to make money online and Shopify, Amazon, and Apple products. Dropshipping. How to make money online and build your own 1 lakh dollar plus dropshipping online business e-commerce Shopify. How to make money online on Shopify, Amazon, and Apple products. Dropshipping. How make money online, a step-by-step guide Amazon.com. Dropshipping. Make money online, a step-by-step guide on how to start a dropshipping business Amazon FBA, eBay, Shopify. E-commerce. Shopify step-by-step guide on how to make money, special offers, and product promotions. Amazon business. Make the most of your Amazon business account with exclusive tool and savings login. Dropshipping e-commerce for beginners. The e-commerce model guide to create passive income with best marketing strategies and make money online with Shopify, Amazon, and eBay unabridged. It's all about how to make money online on Shopify, Amazon, and Apple products. Dropshipping e-commerce for beginners. The e-commerce model guide to create passive income with best marketing strategies and make money online with Shopify, Amazon, and eBay. Get the answer that you are looking for added to the web. Your question will be shared with online publishers who may be able to answer it. When shared, it would not be associated with your Google account. It's all about how to make money online on Shopify, Amazon, and Apple products. What is your question? Make sure that you don't include any private